Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's class. In the previous classes, you have learnt about our friends like doctors, nurses, farmers, engineers, and firefighters. In this lesson, you are going to learn about more friends like tailor, painter, plumber, watchman, electrician, traffic police, and judge. Now, let us see about tailor. The job of a tailor is to stitch cloths. What is the job of a tailor? To stitch cloth. A tailor is a person who makes or alters cloth. Do you know who he is? Yes, he is a painter. Now let us see about the work of a painter. A painter is an artist who paints in walls and in pictures. He applies paint and other decorative finishes to interior and exterior surfaces of buildings and other structures. So, what is the work of a painter? To paint the walls and in pictures. Now, let us see about plumber. A plumber is a trade person specializes in installing and maintaining systems used for potable water, sewage, and drainage in plumbing system. So, if there is any leakage in a pipeline, whom do we call immediately? Yes, we call a plumber to repair it. Now, let us see about electrician. An electrician is a tradesman specializing in electrical wiring of buildings, transition lines, stationary machines, and related equipment. Electricians may be employed in installation of new electrical components or the maintenance and repair of existing electrical infrastructure. Traffic officers are sworn in police, but they focus almost exclusively on maintaining traffic safety and efficiency on the roads. This is the focus of their duties, which include directing traffic, managing accidents, administering federal traffic money, and educating the public on laws and safety guidelines. So, their main duty is to guide the people with traffic rules. Now, let us see about a watchman, a person who keeps guard over a building at night to protect it from fire, vandals, or thieves. So, what is the duty of a watchman? To protect us from fire, vandals, or thieves. The next person whom do we going to see is about a judge. A judge is a person who is in control of a court of law. Judges must be impartial and strive to properly interpret the meaning, significance, and implications of the law. Do you know what place it is? Yes, it is a court. All the problems are solved as per the laws, which is called as rules of our country. Judges help in giving justice to the people in various. Do you know what place it is? Yes, it is a court. It is a court. Here, all the problems are solved as per the laws, which means rules. of our country. Judges help in giving justice to the people in various cases. They protect our rights. And Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Which is the guardian of our Constitution? Supreme Court is the guardian of our Constitution. Thank you, children.